Yeah, we have this question, solve the differential equation. We have this expression, and then we have the conditions when x is 1, y is 0. So let's go straight to the solution to this question. Um, Look at the question. The first observation is that this is what? This is first order differential equation. Okay, and you can see it's first order differential equation, and it's taking the first thing we do, because if you look at the pattern, whether it's a linear or a Bernoulli differential equation, this attachment must leave this place. This attachment must leave this place. So yeah, step one, divide, divide, divide through the equation, divide through the equation by this. So then that will give us dy dx plus 3 x. If you divide this over x, that will give us 3x. Then plus 2 over this y equal to s squared plus 1. Okay. Then step 2. Step 2 is to do the arrangements. Rearrange so as to take the form. Rearrange. Okay. So as to what? So as to take the form of dy dx plus p of x y equal to what? Q of what? Q of x. So let's do that. So if you want to arrange according to this standard form, that will be equal to dy dx, okay, followed by what? Followed by y, okay, and that's the coefficient of 2 over x, okay, and that will be equal to plus 2 over xy. Then the other function, which is functions of x, take all of them to one side. That will be s squared. Then move this 3x to the other side, minus 3x, and then plus what? Plus 1. So this is where we are now. So this is linear in y, according to this standard form, and then where p of x is equal to what? 2 over what? 3 over x, and q of x is equal to s squared minus 3x plus 1. Okay. So then the next thing to do now is to get the integral factor. Step 3, get the integral factor. Get the integral factor. Get the integral factor, which is equal to this symbol, equal to what? Exponential p of x dx. Okay. Then we have the p of x. We know the p of x. P of x is what? 2 over what? 2 over x, and that will be what? Dx. Then this 2, you can take it out of the integration, and that will be equal to 1 over x. Integral of 1 over x is what? Is ln e 2 into bracket what? Then x. Then this 2 can come to the top here, and then that will be equal to what? Exponential ln x squared. So that's equal to what? S squared as your what? As your integrating factor. Okay. And I've said also, you should be aware that when you have exponential of ln f of x, okay, it will give you what? It will give you this f of what? F of x. So we've gotten the integrating factor. The next thing to do now, which is the final step, is to get the step 4, the general solution, the solution of the equation. The solution, which has a formula, which is our equation is linear in y. That will be equal to y equal to 1 over integral factor. There's a formula, 1 over integral factor. Then integral factor as a function of x times q of x, then dx plus c. So that's our general solution for linear differential equation. Let's do the substitution. So 1 over, my integral factor is what? S squared. open your bracket, integral x squared times my q of x is what? My q of x is q of x is, where is it? That's the q of x is quadratic. It's this one. That's my q of x, which is what? Which is x squared minus 3x plus 1 dx and plus c. So let's do the expansion. So this one will be equal to what? X minus 2. Open your bracket, integral. This one times this one, that's x4, x to the power 4. Then minus s squared times the 3x, that's 3s cubed. Then plus s squared times 1, that's s squared. Then do what? Dx plus c. So that's what we have. Then the next thing to do now is to do the integration for this expression, which will be equal to x minus 2 into brackets. Integral of x4, that will be what? When you are doing integration, if you have integral of something like this, it will be equal to what? N plus 1 over what? Whatever you have here, that will be at the denominator. You add 1 to your power, and that will be what? X5 all over the power. Then minus 3, this is a constant, you're only integrating s cubed, which will be x to the power 4, this one plus 1 all over 4. Then this one also, the power plus 1, x cubed over 3. Okay, then plus c. That's my what? That's y. So that's what we have for this case. If you like, we can allow this one to come in. But I think we can get the, let's get the c first. So once we get the c, then we can open this one, open that one. So we have this condition, which is equal to what? When x is 1, y is what? Y is 0. So let's put it there and get the, then let's do that. Y is 0, that will be 0 equal to x is 1. So this one, 1 to the power minus 2 is 1. 1 to any power is 1. Okay? 1 to the power 1 million is 1. Okay? 1 to 1 minus 2, which is 1, into brackets. 1 over 5 minus 3 over 4 plus 1 over 3 plus c. Okay? So if you open the brackets, so we just have, let's use calculator. This one, this will be 1, this one is 1. And open the bracket. So 1 times this bracket, that will just be equal to 1 over 5 minus 3 over 4 plus 1 over 3 plus c equal to 0. So that's minus 13 over 60 plus c. Okay, so we can move this one to the other side. So c is equal to what? 13 over 60. So I've gotten my c now. Then I will now go back to that equation, y equal to x minus 2 into bracket x5 over what? Over 5 minus 3 this. So what I just did, we come back here and substitute for c. That's that. So the next thing you can do if you have the time is to open this bracket, but not a must. You can open the bracket if you want to do that, and that will be equal to what? Y equal to this is okay, that will be x3 over 5. This power 5, this is minus 2. So 5 minus 2, that's power 3. Then here also, that will be minus this one also, that will be 3 squared 4. This one also, that will be plus this, then plus 13 over 60 s squared. So that's the final answer for that. Okay? So that's the final answer for that. And I want to say at this point, if you're new on this channel and you're yet to subscribe, please do that right now and click on the notification bell so that as we upload, you get notified. Okay, and try to click on the like button across all our videos. Okay, and if you have subscribed, okay, you can bring traffic to this channel by inviting your friends and family to do likewise. Okay, let's support this channel. Our target is 1 million subscribers in 6 months, and I believe it's very possible with your cooperation. Thank you.